Hey everybody, welcome back to Holt Growers. It's been a cold, snowy winter. We're in the first week of February. So this week, just a quick update. I didn't do any videos last month. Actually, I think I only did one, maybe two videos all winter for December and January because there wasn't really anything going on. The backyard was cold and full of snow. So behind me you can see the greenhouse weathered the last 2 months pretty well. You can also hear the lovely ladies clucking away down here. See? Yeah, clucking away. I've got them out of the greenhouse into the backyard, and they're pecking and scratching and doing what they do. In the greenhouse, I'll move the camera in there in a little bit. I'm going to be getting the beds prepped today, hopefully today. It's a little foggy out, pretty wet and damp out. However, in the greenhouse, it's been warm. Even though we had some sub-zero temperatures for about a week, about 2 weeks ago, last week, week before, the greenhouse didn't really freeze, so which is pretty promising. The soil's still pretty loose. If you look at my other videos, you'll see that I did gather up a lot of leaves and lawn debris. I also put in shredded paper and various other things in the greenhouse that the chickens pecked through and mixed up and decomposed. Some of that's not decomposed yet, most of it is. That's going to get tilled into the soil. I'm going to try something a little different and using a tiller this year in there to help grind all that up and mix it all up. We'll see how it fares. Hopefully in the next 1 to 2 weeks I'll get some seed planted in the greenhouse. That would be great. So that's the plan. Without further ado, I'm going to cut away and meet you back in the greenhouse. Hey everybody. I guess I'm not going to get tilling done today. Probably saw there's quite a bit of still not decomposed stuff, but we'll go with it. Chickens are seeing what I'm doing now. So the tillers, we had it serviced last fall, and it's just not working well. So it was running good, but the belt must have been dry rotted or something because it just broke apart. So I'm going to need to get a new belt for it and see where that goes. However, I am going to leave the door open, let the chickens in here again. I don't have any seed planted or anything of that nature, so they can peck and scratch this loose soil that I've already broke up and do what they do and do it well for next couple of days while I get a belt ordered. I'll need to write down some things, order a new belt. So hopefully the belt will come in early next week, and stay tuned for that video where I'll show the finished product of this all being tilled up. If not, I'm going to have to go back to doing what I did last year with the digging fork and the rake. I was hoping the tiller would make it a little bit faster. This soil's already pretty loose. I mean, you can just pick it up. Even the part that I didn't till is still pretty loose. So that's pretty much where we're at. So as always, get out, grow something today. May God richly bless you. Hit that subscribe button. I'll get more videos coming on a regular basis as the season picks up. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up. God bless you.